Hey guys, so today we made actually yesterday we made a huge RC track for these little crawlers that like climb rocks and stuff.
That's like a
shaking hands with the face of death in the the whole damn time I've been missing out. Hey! Oh, we're never gonna go back to the way it was. Oh, we're never gonna go. Jagged pill you've been choking on, you gotta see? Ain't it fun to get your mind right away? Summertime is only one more breath away. Oh, we're never gonna go back to the way it was. Oh, we're never gonna go back to the way we
Lego figures.
Hey guys, so this rock wall right here is like great for RC carring for the crawling because it's like it has nice flat rocks on top and there's like really good bumps and stuff. And I just need to make it up this easy. Yeah, that is Reed's perspective of his room, and since I can't go inside because of coronavirus, I am FaceTiming him, and I have my remote. And he has my car, so I'm gonna try his track in his room. Alright, so first off, the duct tape bridge. Actually, it's working out pretty good. Alright, so now I'm on another duct tape bridge. Yeah. I thought that would happen. And is that it? Yay, I did it! Here's the track we made in the woods for these RC cars a couple days ago, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm in high speed mode right now because it's kind of a long way until you get to any features. I mean, besides this one, really. I'm the green car, Reed is red in front of me. Hopefully there's no glare. Alright, now I'm gonna switch to low speed because this is a technical feature. Alright, so Reed's gonna go first. Reed is the red one. Let's see how he fares. Oh, yeah, so you go into there. That's kind of, he went in a little bit earlier, but that's alright. It looks like he's gonna get it. Maybe not.
Oh, no.
I don't think so, he turboed. Alright, now I'm gonna try. It's not the easiest feature.
12 seconds left.
You go in. Alright, there we go. Alright. Alright, yeah, I think I got it now. Oh. There we go. Alright, so then I'll line myself up right here. Alright, so then I gotta stay on the right side of this little thingy, or else I'm probably gonna flip like last time. So then, come over here. So then, probably better to be in medium here. So you could just go in high speed and just monster truck up this, but I think it's more fun to choose your line. Yeah, Reed's gonna give it a go. So I'm gonna show you how you can monster truck up it if you want, and Reed's gonna show you how you can just crawl up it. Maybe not.
2 very boring minutes later.
There we go. Alright, so that time I kind of went fast. So now I'm gonna take my line that I made. Frick, it just died. Hey Reed, can I try yours? Alright, so now mine is dead right now, and so I'm gonna use Reed's to demonstrate these new features, or the last feature. Hopefully his doesn't die. I don't think it will though. Alright, so... Oh, alright, so then I tap... Yeah, usually I can make it up to speed. Someone's calling me. Here it goes. There it goes.
What's up?
Magnus,
What?
are you at the trail?
No? I'm at the RC car trail.
Are you at the dog park trail?
No, the RC car trail that we made behind Reed's house.
Oh, I was gonna see if you guys want to go to the trail today. It's nice out.
Yeah, I want to.
Yeah, I'll go too.
Yeah.
See if Tanner wants to go.
Who?
Tanner.
Tanner is in New Hampshire.
Oh. Alright. Did Reed's bike come?
No.
It's coming on Thursday.
Are
I'm
you
not.
playing with RC cars?
What?
Yeah?
Alright, well, just go to the trail in like a couple of minutes.
Alright.
Alright, me and Nate will go.
Alright. Bye.
Alright, yeah.
Over. Okay, so once you're on here, kind of straight forward from there. Yeah, I'll count that. Alright, so then Tim's line.
I don't even know what we're headed for, babe. I'm not looking back. Listen to your feet on the wooden floor. Don't need nothing else but that. You know you don't have to take your past mistakes into the dawn. So drop off the back, don't break your back. We're gonna keep moving on. We're 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 never gonna go back to the way it was. Oh, we're never gonna go back to the way we was. Tell me if you wanna roll with the rest of us. Oh, it's never gonna go back to the way it was.
So this is the Axial scx24. This is like an amazing crawler. It's the best you can get for the money. And if you want to find these, you can find them on Amazon or mostly at your local hobby shop. So
Yeah.
they're really good. It has lock differentials,
Yeah, it has 3 modes, 3
three
gears.
modes, and it's great. So
Yeah, you
it's,
could like switch the steering, and
So-
you could add on like a winch and lots of cool stuff. It has bright lights too.
so it's
I
the
forgot to
Axial
tell you that.
SCX24, and
Yeah.
go grab one.
And it comes with a great battery that lasts a long time. But if you need to, you can get another battery. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. See ya!